Hi, Abhi. Welcome to Texila American University graduation program.
Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. We have few questions. So, Abhi, first I would like to understand your motivation to pursue this Doctor of Public Health program in general.
Thank you so much for that question. First, before I pursued this degree, I did a lot of research. I have some schools
Right.
that I was researching and then thinking about how I'm going to kind of balance work with, school and all that.
Right.
I discovered Texila American University gave me the platform,
Right.
and also I joined the school because I want to strengthen and help myself in my developmental skills,
Right.
help with inequalities in the healthcare field. There's a lot of stuff going on.
Right.
So I felt, going into this will help me reach my communities better and help me, help my people out
Right.
there. So that's why I went into this program.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
And any reason that you could think, to choose Texila to pursue this program? It's a Texila American University. Why did you choose Texila American University to do this program?
I chose Texila because it helps me balance work and life, because I was looking at how I'm going to be in school,
Right.
and then working. And then I do a lot of traveling, so I felt I needed something that I can take with me.
Right.
So going out everything, taking my classroom with me. So
Right.
Texila gave me that platform and that flexibility so I could, balance work and also be in school. Give me that.
And if you could think of a couple of the advanced leadership or the public health administration skills that you have gained during this program.
Gained a lot. I did a lot of research during my course of studies. I went out there, so I did a lot of qualitative, quantitative, analysis, and I felt all those are big deal to me because I needed those skills in order to effectively function in my area of expertise. So going into that field opened a bigger door for me, and my horizon was enlarged. So this gave me the platform for me to be able to perform very well in my area of choice of work.
Wonderful. And which research or academic experience that, if you could recollect, that impacted you the most?
I would say out there, for my kind of work and my life, I am always on the field. So my job is mostly on the field, whether it's disaster, I'm always there. So it helped me in many ways to touch lives. I learned a lot of listening. Like, you got to listen to your people. Like, if there's a crisis, you don't just want to judge people. You want to put yourself in their shoes. You want to do a lot of listening and a lot of empathy. So this
Right.
gave me a very large skill for me to learn in that aspect, and it's been very helpful for me.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Right. And if you could think of a couple of the help or the support that you got from the Texila faculty in terms of guide you through your doctoral journey.
Yes, I had a lot of ups and downs, I would say. I have a lot of mentors, although they were being changed every time. Like, I cannot really say this is the figure of how many mentors. They keep changing them. I felt they were changing them because they wanted us to have more feel. Like, this person will be different. Maybe the way you teach is different from the way another person is going to teach. So they wanted us to have more kind of feel of how they do things slowly. So they change them every time. So I was able to learn and tap from those flow. So it helps me kind of balance things. Sometimes I'm going gaga, like, okay, I'm waiting for you to get back to me. You're not getting back to me. But at the end of the day, when I'm being communicated, they're like giving me the reasons. So I kind of learn to, walk with the flow. So
Right.
using that opportunity is giving me the flow to learn from different types of people and the way they do their own teaching models. So it
Right.
helped me.
Absolutely. And how is this doctoral degree helping you in your professional growth?
It has helped me a lot, and it's still helping me in the area of my management, because I do a lot of, I would say, assessments. So I do a lot of community needs assessments. So it has helped me be able to collect my data, and also with this, with the program, the school has given me the platform of how valuable data are. Because when you're collecting data, you
Right.
want to collect it in the real time. You don't want it to be in the past. Sometimes we are trying to say, oh, I can remember. But by the time you step like a couple feet out of that environment, it's easier for you to forget things. So it helped me, collect my data in the real time, and it's more effective because I don't forget things. So I have
Right.
those things, and they kind of lay down for me, and that has been my help in my field, and has been very great, impactful, and very helpful for me.
So,
Thank you.
and if you could remember, what are challenges did you overcome during your DPHA program?
Oh, yeah. I have a lot of challenges. Like I said earlier, my mentors, my guides were being changed every time. So that has been a big thing to me. I believe if the school can set up like I know, but sometimes I would say because of the time difference, because you guys, they are far away out there. Sometimes it's morning where I am, and it's like midnight over there. I know I have to consider that, but I believe that if we send in like communication between myself and my mentor or my guide, I expected it to be like have some hours of turnaround. I don't have to wait for weeks, then going into months before I'm being communicated. That has been a big issue. But I believe that things can be improved. So I guess that is a major thing that has been a challenge to me.
Understood. And finally, what message would you like to give for the future DPHA candidates?
Thank you. Well, I will encourage the students or aspiring students out there to be patient. I know it's a lot of work. Everybody will say different kind of things depending on your experiences, but I believe that is something that is doable. It could be very overwhelming, but I believe when you have the necessary people and the resources around you, you'll be able to overcome it. And sky is going to be the limit.
Wonderful.